The first 11 industries that AI will destroy first. Did you know that AI and automation could send a whopping 800 million jobs packing by 2030? That's a jaw-dropping number. But don't worry, we've got your back as we embark on a journey through the 11 industries that AI might take over first. So hold on tight, because we're about to uncover the professions that could be on the brink of transformation. Number 11. Graphic designers. AI-powered design tools like Stable Diffusion and Mid-Journey can turn up mind-blowing graphics in mere seconds. They analyze trends and styles and even user preferences to create visuals that are out of this world. But what does that mean for human graphic designers? Well, they might find themselves in a race against machines that can churn out eye-catching designs faster than you can say, wow. Can human creativity withstand this relentless AI design invasion? Time will tell. Number 10. Translators and interpreters. Get ready for some language magic. AI-powered language processing tools like ChatGPT are wowing us with their super accurate real-time translations. Language barriers? Not a chance. While there will always be room for human translators in those tricky, specialized translations, your run-of-the-mill translation services could see a bit of a slowdown. Number 9. Manufacturing and assembly line jobs. Here come the robots, ready to rock the production floor. These AI-powered wonders are equipped with crazy sensors and machine learning smarts, making them the stars of the show. From car factories to electronic plants, they work 24/7 without a single yawn, ensuring top-notch output and minimal errors. But hang on a sec, what about the millions of workers whose skills might get a little rusty? How will they face this brave new world? It's a puzzle we need to solve. Number 8. Data entry and data processing. Let's face it, data is the new gold, and AI algorithms are here to strike it rich. They're lightning fast at processing vast amounts of information. Handwritten notes? No problem. Printed text? Piece of cake. It's like magic. But what does this mean for data entry pros? Well, they might need to join forces with AI to keep their data game strong. Number 7. Basic accounting and bookkeeping. AI is all about crunching numbers and saving the day. From reconciling accounts to generating financial reports, these smart machines are on the case, reducing the risk of human oopsies. So while the need for traditional accountants and bookkeepers won't vanish completely, they'll have to ride the AI wave to stay ahead in their financial game. Number 6. Customer service and support. Get ready for some customer care tech. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are on the rise, offering instant solutions to your everyday problems. They understand what you're saying, like a language genius. But hold up, what does that mean for human customer service agents? Well, they might need to brush up on their skills to compete with these chatty AI pals. Number 5. Proofreaders and copy editors. Brace yourself for an editing revolution. AI algorithms are the new grammar police. They spot errors, polish writing styles, and even make your words shine. But don't worry, human editors won't be out of a job anytime soon. Their creativity and finesse still win the day. Yet, they might need to team up with AI to make the editing dream team. Number 4. Market research analysts. Time for some data-driven excitement. AI-powered data analytics tools are wizards at finding trends and insights. They're like Sherlock Holmes with a computer brain. But what about traditional market research analysts? Well, they'll need to level up their game with AI's help to keep delivering those golden insights. Number 3. Legal assistants. Here comes the AI legal brigade. Advanced algorithms can review contracts and predict case outcomes. They're like legal superheroes. But hang on, legal assistants, it's not time to hang up your capes just yet. You'll need to embrace AI's powers and team up for some superhuman legal assistance. Number 2. Financial planners and tax preparers. Let's talk finances. AI-powered robo-advisors are here to help you invest like a pro. And tax time? AI has got it covered. But wait, financial planners and tax preparers don't fret. You've got your human touch, and that's priceless. Just remember to add a little AI magic to your financial wizardry. Number 1. Junior software developers. The tech realm is buzzing with AI wonders. ChatGPT and other AI-powered tools are coding like champs. They're quick, smart, and here to stay. But junior developers, fear not. Embrace AI as your tech sidekick. It's time to join forces and become coding superheroes together. So there you have it, fellow adventurers. The world of AI is vast and exciting, but it won't spell doom for human ingenuity. It's a chance for us to grow, adapt, and thrive in this new AI-powered landscape. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time.